So we left the marina 2 nights ago. We stayed last night in the bay, just down there somewhere. And we've noticed these big fish farms all along here. They're huge. They got cranes and stuff on them. They're crazy. And now we ask ourselves, why don't we catch fish? We did actually catch a little fish today. Way too small to keep. And guess what? It was our 9th bonito. Get into port now. And this big cruise ship is leaving as soon as we're getting in. That's our marina. There. Here comes the cruise ship. It's called Queen something. I'm gonna go see what it's called. Okay. What's the cruise ship called?
She mustn't have heard it.
Cruise ship is called?
It's Queen Victoria too.
Queen Victoria too?
No, just Queen
Oh,
Victoria.
just Queen Victoria. It's coming out now. It is huge. Bye bye, Queen Victoria. Bye. Huge big ship. How big is it? I wonder. Just looked at AIS and it is 294 meters long. Which is so big. So we got the marina yesterday night. And it's the next morning. It's about 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and we are leaving the marina. The big tugboat thing. Gonna do an overnight tonight. And we just learned something that this is one of the biggest, or was the biggest naval port in Spain, which is quite cool. It's got naval ship, and then one just left before. So there's a lot of navy ships here. Yeah. It's been about maybe 2 hours now since we left the marina, and we are crossing these big contour lines. I'll show you. All of these along here. It's where the depth drops a little bit. And apparently that's where the fish like to hang out. So we've got this line where it's attached to a bike tire in a tube. So if we do catch a fish, it extends like that. We've got this one with the lure on it out there. We've got that line down there. And then we got over here, we got the renewal rod, the lure out there. So we got 2 lines out, hoping to catch 2 mahi-mahis. This morning we haven't done much, but we have done 142 miles, I think.
So you can do more than one a day.
Motril Marina. We're coming into the marina now. Now we are in the marina, all docked alongside all the other boats. So we stayed here last night and we're off again. We'll leave the dock. And then we'll go to a place called Malaga. Oh, we got to Malaga last night and we were, then we left at like 5 and we were sailing to Gibraltar. If you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe and tune in next Friday for a new video. See you then!